Hey there guys, my name is Marcus and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can send money to your friends on Revolut. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Revolut and then go to middle button to like your investing and payments, and right here you're going to see transfer under your name. Let's click on it, and now you have options to add a contact, or you're going to have like your friends here. And I got my brother here, so I would click on it. Who do I want to pay? I can send money or I can request the money, right? Transactions, that how much he sent me, statistics or details, and I just click here send. How much money you want to actually send, add a reference here, and you just send the money. And this is pretty much it. This is how it is easy. And then they will get notification, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, see ya.